Good day, welcome to Mr. Johan Fabi. So ito po yung ating unit na WE M92 Barretta Color Silver. Yan, so check po natin yung kanyang FPS. So meron na po itong green gas, then BBs 0.20 gram. So yan, so test fire natin, chrono check. Pasok si magazine, clicking sounds. Kasa, release. Always trigger finger out, toy only. FPS checking. Po kanya FPS, test fire. Yan, so nag-slide up na po siya, ibig sabihin wala na po siyang BBs or bala, no? Release natin yung magazine. Release yung slide. Press the trigger. Then hammer down. Thank you.